Very good evening, students. Today we'll study about commutative property in terms of whole numbers. So you can see here what is given. There are several operations which will act in terms of what in terms of whole numbers and in terms of what commutative property. So let us see same as it is as we have discussed in the terms of closure property. We'll discuss it about the commutative property in terms of whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and so on. So let us continue what is mentioned here. So general formula क्या होता है बच्चों? I have told you that. You can see here I have mentioned a plus b equals to b plus a, and the operations you can see you have to make the columns, various columns. First heading will be the operations, second will be the numbers and remarks as well. So let us see what are the operations which are involved in this. Let us continue. So you can see here operations. What are the operations involved here? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So you have to take what some of the examples we have to include which followed the in terms of whole numbers which follow this commutative property. So you can see here what are the things are given. 0 plus 7 equals to 7 plus 0, which is basically what 0 is a whole number and 7 is acting as an normal number. So whenever a number is added with the whole number and again in terms of opposite in the opposite manner it is added again 7 plus 0, it gives the answer that is nothing but a single answer in both the cases. That is nothing but following what in terms of what thus we can say that whole numbers addition in the terms of addition is following the commutative property, means it is closed under addition. Next it is what in the terms of subtraction. You can see here what is given. 0 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 0. Here let me show you. You can see here 0 minus 3 equals to 3 minus 0, that is nothing but opposite manner. We can see here there are different values we got, so that's why we can say that in the terms of subtraction it is not commutative. Next we talk about the multiplication. In terms of what multiplication, what is the example? You can see here I have written here with the pen. 0 into 3 whole number into multiplied by any number gives the answer 0. Same if you'll just make it opposite, that is something but 3 into 0, reciprocal of that, so we will get again the same answer. So LHS equal to RHS in the terms of in the terms of multiplication we can conclude that remark will be what multiplication is following the commutativity. Next in the terms of division we'll talk about the numbers. Again you can see here I will show you. 0 divided by 3 gives the value 0 and 3 divided by 0, but here is the thing, it gives the value infinity. So we can say that in both the cases both the things are not equal, so we can say that division is not commutative, it is not following, it is not closed under commutative. Next we'll talk about integers. So here also same in the same manner four operations are acting here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. There are some of the examples you can see here I have mentioned. That is nothing but in terms of addition, the integers which are used are, we can take 5 plus 3 equal to, that will be the 8. Again 3 plus 5 equal to, the value will be 8. So it is following in both the cases LHS and RHS we are getting the same value. We can say that addition is closed under what? Closed under commutative in terms of integers. Okay. Next in the terms of subtraction you can see 5 minus of minus 3 and minus 3 of minus 5. In both the cases we are getting the different values, that's why the remarks will what? Subtraction will be commutative. It will not be closed. In terms of multiplication the same thing, 5 3 is a 15 and 3 5 is a 15. So in both the cases we have the same value, so we can say that it is closed under commutative. And in terms of division, 5 is divided by 3, it gives the other different value in comparison with the 3 divided by 5, so it's not commutative and it's not closed under division as well. So thank you for today. Thank you for taking part in our online classes and the video.